Hi everybody, this is Monty and Michelle with Red Dirt Rooster, and we are coming up to check on the bees.
We're going to give them a little sugar water just to make sure, because we live in a nectar drought over here in Oklahoma, so
Yep.
We're going to give them a little sugar water just to make sure, but they are flying and it is getting hot.
It's getting hot, and so there is one frame we've been watching, and we want to check on that one again.
Holes are full. The deals are full of bees.
Yeah. You're going to take both of them out instead of just one?
Yeah, this one's, well, I guess I could.
Well, probably, let's go ahead and bump them out. Come on, climb out. Come on, climb out. You good? Oh, I'm doing a terrible job. Did she come out? Good job. Good deal.
Where's the other one?
The other one? Right.
Yep.
Sorry, girl. Come on, girl. There is a lot of bees. I'm curious about that frame. Remember that end frame they were building out?
I can already tell this frame's heavy.
Okay, because it's pulling. Okay, the other one is new comb. That one down there, they're working. Okay, ooh, we got honey in that one. Ooh, nectar. Some capped. Is that nectar?
That's not nothing.
Well, I wanted to see the other side that you were. I mean, this whole side is nectar or capped honey.
Yeah, this side is nothing.
There is a bunch on there. Okay, here's that clump. Lots of drum right there. Are those?
I can't tell if those are larvae down in there.
Would be right there. Oh, and Wilson, I haven't been watching for her.
Okay, look, because they're all ganged up right up there.
Up here. Up here, you're talking about? Okay, hang on. Boy, there's some big old drones. You've got several in your finger.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hang on, I'm looking. Is there eggs on that frame? Because we
Okay, there's larvae.
lots of larvae. Nectar. Brood.
And there's more of those big nodules that are...
Yeah, because if it's drones, why are they opening the cell? Those look like drone cells. And I don't see eggs on this frame, so I can't tell what's down here.
She was way over here.
Yeah, she was on one of these frames. It doesn't
She
mean
was where she shouldn't have been.
Yeah, she was where she's where we didn't expect to see her. This black frame was. So larva, nectar. Have we seen anything with egg cells?
I haven't seen any eggs yet.
There she is. Oh, right there. Right here. See her?
Mm-hmm.
Good girl. There she's going. Is she laying on this frame? Because I don't see eggs. Is she just searching? She's over here in the corner.
Yeah, I'm following her.
You're following her? Yeah. She's getting ready to... Is she just scanning for a open cell? She's just leisurely.
Just larva.
Okay.
Not seeing eggs at all. Where's she
She's
at?
right there. See, so that makes twice. If she's in the spot.
Eggs? I mean, larva?
Strange cells. That one frame is what has the strange cells.
Yeah. I'm not seeing any eggs. But there's lots of...
But we found her.
And there's lots of larvae.
See that weirdness right there? Okay guys, we saw a little bit what we needed to see, so I'm hoping for a split on our end, not a swarm on their end. So we're really wanting to split this hive because the queen is
Super gentle.
super good, super gentle, and they're growing like crazy. So I think we're going to come back up here in a couple days, and maybe we can have that on the agenda and have that all figured out, so we can get that done. And it'll be about in a week, and we're going to be hiving another nuke, and those will be in this long hive. Whoop! Bees buzzing me in my hair. Okay, girl, get away. This hive box, this long hive, this is the first one I think we built actually, and it was at my dad's house. His bees absconded because of, we think, the ants and all, so that's what we're checking the ants in there.
And they weren't the little bitty ants. The little bitty ants don't seem to bother the bees, but these were the big giant black ones.
Yeah, I mean, I always call them the carpenter ants. That may or may not be what they are, but they're the big black ones. And they got so thick in my dad's hive, or this hive, so quick that
I think it overran it. They just couldn't keep up because it was during the winter time, so their numbers were low. So
yeah,
trying to huddle up and stay warm, and then the rest of the hive, I think the ants just overtook it and
yeah.
drove them out basically.
And we were not able at that point. Of course, we didn't know there was a concern, and I think it happened so fast. But us not being over there and not, where they're at here, we kind of seed them every day because between us and our kids going back and forth. So really, we could, if they were going to swarm, we could probably catch it, I think, or get an indication of it. So, but not at my dad's house. So anyway, thanks for joining us on this, and stick with us. We'll keep on checking them, and hopefully we get to do a split real soon. So, okay.
All right. We'll see y'all.
Thank you. There she's going. Is she laying on this frame? Because I don't see eggs. Is she just searching?